It's a hotly debated issue in Florida. Should patients be able to smoke medical marijuana? News Channel 5's Sabira Rayford here with why some local doctors hope the answer soon becomes yes. Sabira?
Michael, since the people voted in 2016 to make medical marijuana legal in the state of Florida, some doctors in the area have changed their specialty. I talked with one doctor who told me medical marijuana can have a life-changing impact. Dr. Jennifer Guthrie has practiced medicine for 9 years, but in November she decided to switch her specialty.
This is just an example of some of the oil.
She's talking about cannabis oil, one of the medications she's licensed to prescribe.
Everyone assumes that it's all stoners doing this, you know, people who just are out to get high. And that's not the case at all.
In fact, Dr. Guthrie says she has a wide range of patients.
Everything from epilepsy to people with chronic pain, to people with glaucoma, HIV.
She says she's learned that each patient requires different care.
Everyone's system's very different. All their receptors are different and they react differently. Some people get no relief from any other way other than smoking the actual flower.
And right now, that's illegal. In November of 2016, voters approved the use of medical marijuana, but only through food, oil, spray, and vaping. On Friday, a circuit court judge ruled the state's ban to smoke medical marijuana unconstitutional. But less than an hour after that ruling, Florida's Department of Health appealed. I reached out to Florida's Department of Health since it filed the appeal, but we were declined an interview. Instead, it gave us this statement saying, quote, "This ruling goes against what the legislature outlined when they wrote and approved Florida's law to implement the constitutional amendment that was approved by an overwhelmingly bipartisan majority. The department has appealed the ruling, and the appeal imposes an automatic stay." The statement went on to say the department remains committed to implementing the law so Florida patients have safe access to this medicine.
Whether they get their hands on concentrated oil or flour, if someone wants to abuse something, they're going to abuse it. I don't think adding another treatment method is going to hurt their case at all on the medicinal side.
Now, if Governor Scott doesn't reconsider the state's appeal, an Orlando attorney, says he could ask the Florida Supreme Court to hear the case on an expedited basis since one of the plaintiffs in this case has ALS. Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.